हाय, माझं नाव पार्थ आहे. सो तुमचं नाव काय?
वैष्णवी. वैष्णवी.
वैष्णवी. हाय वैष्णवी. तुम्ही FC रोडवरती ऑफनली येता?
हां.
मग इथं व्हॉट अट्रॅक्ट्स यू टू FC रोड?
शॉपिंग.
एनिथिंग एल्स?
फूड.
फूड. अँड इथं मेजर हॉटेल्स आहेत, वाडेश्वर, वैशाली, गुडलक वगैरे. तुमचं फेवरेट कुठलं?
माझं गुड लक.
सेम आयला गुडलक तसं. तिथं मेजरली काय खाता तुम्ही?
मी ॲक्च्युली कॉफी आणि बनमस्का फेवरेट.
बनमस्का. सो बनमस्का इज एव्हरीवन्स फेवरेट एट गुडलक. सो यू आर अ फूडी बेसिकली. आणि साऊथ इंडियन वाईज इथं वाडेश्वर आहे, वैशाली आहे, रुपाली आहे. तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही बेस्ट कुठलं हे कराल की रेट कराल की बेस्ट तिथं मिळतं?
रुपालीचं.
थँक्यू फॉर युअर टाइम. थँक्यू.
Hello.
Hi,
So what's your name?
Tejaswini.
So I am Prathamesh Afre, and I like to know which type of topics do you like?
Mostly travel and journalism.
In travel, like which places do you want to visit? Like your dream places.
France, maybe.
Why France? Because of the ancient culture they have.
No, I really like the architecture.
So again, you said that you like journalism, right?
Yeah.
So basically, which type of topic do you want to show to the public instead of this film industry and all types of topics?
I really want to say try new cuisine because everyone is so busy in their lives. They don't have time to, eat good food and spend more time with people due to Corona and all. So as for now, all this is like, everything is open. Everything has opened up. So I want to ask people to, share some good time with your family and friends. Go out, try new food. It really helps you prepare yourself mentally. It is like a stress buster.
So thank you so much. And can you give him this bump? Thank you.
I have always thought of it. So living alone, not asking anything to anyone, not asking permissions. Would you suggest it to the youth?
First of all, living as an independent life is not about getting permissions or you are free as a bird. You can do anything. It's not like that. Restrictions. It also has some restrictions. But yes, I would suggest students who are studying to work as a part-time job because it is not a necessity, but it's for your own growth. So if you see some students who go abroad for their further education, they work there for their part-time. So why not here? Why not in India? So we have a really great youth. They are very passionate about studies and all. So I think working as a part-time would enhance their growth. They would come to know how the world is rather than, just starting work after their graduation or something that sort of. I think part-time should be normalized in India.
And now that we are talking about part-time, you get a part-time job in the unskilled sector, right? So if you are really good at some of your art, then you can get a part-time job that is like dedicated towards your art only. But otherwise, people in other countries, people out there work as waiters or cashiers, attendants. So what do you think of that?
If you aren't skilled enough, then you should choose that path. But if you think you're really skilled, so I think everybody should make their own ways. Research, use Google for a good cause. So I would suggest that. And if you think that you can, see, waitressing and all is also not a bad profile. So if you think you can make a good out of it, you can satisfy your work and study life balance. So I think you should go for it.
Supporting yourself is most important in this case. Yeah. Great. So thank you for your answers.
Okay. Hello. I am Prathamesh Afre, and what is your name?
My name is Harsha.
Okay. So you mentioned that you liked food.
Yes.
When do you get a foodgasm? Which food you like that gives you a foodgasm?
Pani puri is die-hard fan. Ice cream I eat. Parathas, pizzas, burgers, everything in food I like.
You like Indian cuisine that much, or you also like the different cuisines like Italian?
Different cuisines also. I try what unique dishes, what mix up they have done.
Yeah.
And आजकल कहते हैं ना वो मिक्स किया है कुछ देसी तड़का
Yeah.
Italian disco. आज
Hybrids.
हाँ?
Hybrids.
Hybrids you can say, yes.
And
जैसे पिज्जा हट ने न्यू मोमो पिज्जा इन्वेंट किया, yes, I like that invention also. That's nice.
which outlets do you suggest to the people who are watching this?
Okay, I suggest in Pune or outlets basically.
Yeah.
Domino's you can go. It's great actually. Okay, that's nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Parth. What's your name? Pushkar. Hi, Pushkar. So, as you told me, you are a movies fan, right?
Yes.
You watch a lot of movies.
Yes.
Any particular fandom that you belong to?
Marvel, of course.
Okay. So, have you seen all the Marvel movies?
Yes, I have.
What would you say about them?
Oh, I love it. They have built some amazing cinematic universe, and it's very sort of amazing to follow from like the first Avengers and Iron Man. It's brilliant.
I myself grew up watching all of those movies. I followed them through my years of existence, actually. And what do you think of the directors and the action, the story? Can you tell about that?
The directors are of course amazing, like the Russo brothers, or even the ones who directed like the Eternals movies. They have been awarded with great awards before as well. And action, so they have been bringing up some amazing, especially the Shang-Chi movie. It had some brilliant action sequence which are like influenced from Matrix and all of that, which was brilliant. So yeah, in general, it's been great.
And what do you think of the VFX that they use? They are putting a lot of budget into their VFX, their effects, and bringing a lot of realism to their work. So, what would you say about that? Do you like it?
Yeah, I do enjoy it. Sort of the whole point of going to the movies is just that suspension of disbelief. So I really enjoy that whole process.
Have you seen the series like Loki, WandaVision?
Yeah, I've seen all of that.
What do you think of them?
It was a great attempt, I'll say. I didn't enjoy it as much, but yeah, it's good to follow that you can also see them on small screens and everything.
And also, have you seen Venom?
Yeah, I did.
The latest one, right?
Yeah.
So, what did you think of the credit scene?
Oh, it was amazing. To be honest, I thought the whole movie was based on the whole credit thing.
Yeah.
But it was amazing.
Okay, so now I myself can't wait for Eternals and for Spider-Man.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
So hello, I'm Prathamesh. What's your name?
Naveen.
What's your name? Ma'am, as I heard, you work for a charitable organization. So, what type of charity do you provide to the poor children or any middle class children?
Yeah, we are doing for every like we have most of the type of right. We have for premature babies. We have for COVID. We provide hygiene kit and all like things like that also.
So, do you only focus on only the poor children or also the people facing like middle class problems we have? But some people are lower middle class, so they can't even handle things like going Starbucks, of course not. But like things like basic rented home or they want to own properties, like that of thing. Do you handle that also?
No, sir. Right now, only we are working on premature babies. So we are focusing on that. Before we had education, water pump, and many more. But right now, we are working on premature babies only.
Thank you for your time. It's really nice question answering.
Great job.
Yeah, yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. My name is Parth, and what's your name?
My name is Srushti. Srushti Samruddhi.
So, hi. What are you doing right now?
I'm in second year of college.
Second college.
I'm in 11th standard.
Being student, I am a student as well. So you must look for entertainment, right? So do you watch movies and web series and all?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, me too. Yeah.
So what kind of genre do you prefer?
I prefer mostly horror or
okay.
action.
Great.
Yeah.
You?
Entertaining and comedy.
So I'm assuming that you have watched Friends. Yeah, big fan. I'm a big fan too. So who's your favorite character?
Mine is Phoebe. Yeah, Rachel.
I like her too. And do you think Friends is overrated because of all the hype it gets and all the fans that are... People say that Friends is a very toxic fandom. So what are your views on that?
No, I don't think it is overrated. No.
It is entertaining to watch on television, like.
So it was funny at that time, and it's funny right now because it was ahead of its time at that time too. Right. Okay. And any other web series that you have seen?
I like Mirzapur. Yeah.
I like Bulbul.
And have you seen Squid Game, the latest one?
No, I haven't really.
I highly appreciate the director, the cast, extremely good job, and I recommend it completely. And have you watched other Korean dramas?
I don't like Korean dramas.
Don't like
No.
Korean. What about you? No. And have you seen Marvel? Are you a Marvel fan? No. You? No. Any see nowadays Bollywood is evolving, and all the great stories are coming up. So what will you say about it?
I don't really like Bollywood that much. I think it is kind of toxic.
Toxic.
Yeah. And the role of women is not really,
Yeah.
up to the mark.
Yeah.
They're shown as like a property or something, which is not really good.
They have been materialized and objectified. Yeah.
Stuff is not really good. Yeah.
Hypocritical and stereotypical. It is very stereotypical about women. Yeah.
What about Hollywood? What do you think of that?
Hollywood is nice, but I'm personally not that much into it. I am like not a person who watches a lot of movies and stuff because I like cartoons and stuff more.
Yeah, even I love cartoons. I watch anime, as you can see.
Yeah. I like cartoons more than that.
What about
Animation is more better for like kindness and humanity. They show a lot there.
so we can use animation to show our feelings, also emotions, and it can also uplift the society to some matter. And but nowadays even people get offended over animation. So what would you say on that?
Actually, I think it is generation gap some things because like our generation can accept it because we are seeing that kind of changes in our society. But the older generation is like, you guys are, spoiled or anything like that.
Spoiled and you don't understand.
Accepting about it. People are not accepting about it.
Nature. So, they don't really accept it, the older generation. Our generation will accept it. The older generation won't really accept it.
So you are saying that we are more acceptant towards the current situation. Yeah.
We are kind of evolving and developing in a lot of matters.
So thanks a lot, Sushti and Samruddhi. You have been a very great audience. So bye bye. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Good morning, sir. What's your name?
Abhay.
Sorry?
Abhay.
So hi Abhay, and are these your friends?
Yes, we are friends.
And you cycle a lot, I see. So where are you headed right now?
We are from Kerala.
You are from Kerala.
Yes. Kerala to going to Ladakh, Kashmir.
You are going from Kerala to Kashmir on cycles. Oh my God, that's really good. Extremely great, guys. And when did you start the journey?
We started October 1st.
October. And so daily, on an average, how much do you travel on the cycle?
100 kilometers per day.
That's a lot. Like I'm just getting all sweaty even by hearing to it. And on what date are you planning to reach there?
No planning, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year.
Okay, so and what have you carried with you, and what are you doing for food and everything and accommodation?
Yes, we are accommodation we are searching for a petrol, 24-hour petrol pump. We are put tent on there.
I didn't get you. On petrol pump, what do you do?
On petrol, we put tent.
You put a tent. Okay, nice. And what do you do about food?
Food, we are eating some vegetables, bread, fruits, etc.
And so I'm really curious. How did your parents react on this?
We tell about this first time in our house. There is full of problem.
Okay.
Then we convince them.
Yeah.
I tell only 3 months. Then we came.
That's great. So all the best to you, and thank you for answering my questions. So,